Is your Tata Nexon's infotainment screen frozen? A quick reboot can often solve the issue. Here's how. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. Release the button and wait for the system to restart. This soft reboot addresses minor glitches without losing your settings. If a quick reboot doesn't work, a hard reboot or power cycling is necessary. First, make sure your car is parked safely before attempting this. If problems persist, ensure your software is up to date by checking the car's app or visiting a Tata dealership for the latest over-the-air updates. Avoid running too many apps simultaneously, as the system has limited RAM, which can cause freezes. Use certified cables for device connections to prevent USB port issues. Ensure proper ventilation to avoid overheating, a common cause of freezes, especially in hot climates. If all else fails, a factory reset or professional servicing may be required.